Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change your account location in Roblox. Alright, let's begin. To change your location in Roblox, go to the Roblox website. Click the settings icon at the top right, then select Settings. Scroll down to find your account location. If there's a drop-down, you can change your country directly. If you can't change it manually, scroll to the bottom and click Help. Select Roblox account, then in the search box, type Location. From the drop-down, choose Account Location. Scroll and click the support form link. Now fill out the form with your username, first name, and email. Make sure the info matches your Roblox account. Under Device, choose PC. For the Help category, select How To, then pick How to Change My Location. In the description, type, "Hi, my account location is showing as, here write your old location, but my actual location is, write your real location. I can provide documentation if needed." Click Continue. Complete the verification puzzle and press Submit. So that's basically how you can change your account location in Roblox. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.